What do you think of the outfit? Breakfast. We're going to a car show. Here she is. So here are the outfits. Good morning and happy Sunday. Today, I'm going to be filming my Amazon activewear haul. Here are the pieces. I showed you them yesterday. We have some CRZ yoga. We have ox jocks in this really fun neon orange. And then ox jocks again in this aqua turquoisey color. And then this top is from Burn. I was just gonna show you guys for fun. I have made my world famous coffee recipe. I used Starbucks cold brew, chocolate Fairlife shake, and some chocolate caramel creamer. So delish. A lot of times I use decaf if I've already had pre-workout and stuff, but since it's Sunday, I'm not having any pre-workout and I definitely need caffeine. Yep, and I have my water here. So now I need to do a little body shower moment, which means I need my little dry bar thing. I never checked to see if this is on Amazon to add to my storefront. Oop. But it's wonderful. It has like terry cloth on the inside. Ooh, and while I'm in there, let's get out the chargers. So I've been putting my chargers away. You're sliding. You're sliding. I've been putting my chargers away, but it's just to like make it look neater and nicer. I have my Fitbit and Ultra Human Ring chargers. I am about to film my video, so it's time to take my hair out and hopefully it will look okay and kind of like chill out a little bit. I want to make like a kind of like a stock photo background for thumbnails back here. So I'm setting up. This is my overnight curls thing. I showed it in my Amazon favorites, but by now oh, well, this is gonna go up next weekend, so. My timeline's all cuckoo. Oh wait, no, this isn't going up. My timeline's all cuckoo because I have my daily vlogs that are like way behind, but then I have my other videos that I intersperse. So it kind of sometimes confuses me. I don't know. You don't need to know that, but I mean, maybe you're curious. Maybe you're curious. Okay, so anyway, I was thinking of doing like a background photo here, like this kind of, that I can use on any thumbnail and then just do like background remover. Because sometimes I notice like this gets in the way, like the sleeve of like a sweatshirt, or I don't know. I feel like I could just improve my thumbnail game. So I'm gonna move, and I'm gonna move the chair out of the way because right now I have a chair from the kitchen. I'm gonna go like this. Ow. And that could be a background. All right, so I just finished filming. I'm going to be a good girl and unplug my light now. So unplug. Ooh, it's so warm. Also, this bra was just out yesterday from when I was picking out what I was gonna wear to Burn. It is from Ayuga. These are also from Ayuga. I'm gonna put it, because it's white, I'm gonna put it below so that it doesn't get like dirty accidentally. There we go. We have a bunch of plastic bags we gotta throw out. Actually, so I throw these away, and then these I keep now for my Poshmarks. So when I send out a Poshmark, I put in a bag like that. What do you think of the outfit? I'm not wearing this for the rest of the day because I want to save these pieces because you'll probably see them in my week of workout outfits. Kodiak cakes being made. Breakfast.
Hi.
We're going to a car show. There's an antique car show and it seemed kind of fun, so I don't know. If there's anything cool, I'll show you. Okay, all I can think about is having a protein shake with my cookies and cream stuff and my new Oreo black cocoa. If you've been following along, this was one of my Black Friday. No, this is one of my Amazon Prime Day purchases. So we're gonna make a shake. I just got a ton of ice in this shaker. So we'll do that in the blender. It might be too much. We're gonna do a cup of milk, a scoop of protein, and then I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of this. I have no idea how much I should be using of this, but 2 tablespoons feels like the correct amount. Okay, this is incredibly thick. Look at that. Here she is. I ran out of whipped cream, but I had my creamer. And I did 1 cookie on top, of course. But all the rest is shake. I actually got the perfect proportions. Perfect proportions. Okay, here, let's take our first sip. Am I drinking an Oreo? I mean, I am getting a little of the cookie on top, but I would say yes, the Oreo-ness is enhanced by the new cocoa. So yes. And I think the amount that I put in was just about right. Not real Oreos, by the way. Okay, friends, I just picked out my outfits for my workouts this week. The protocol comes out every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. So I have the protocol, I picked up my outfits. I really want to do a wear test for some of those Amazon outfits. I also seriously cannot stop watching the Ryan Trahan, Haley fam videos. They're doing 50 states in 50 days. I'm on day 6 and like I cannot pull myself away, but it is giving me something to enjoy and watch while I'm doing other chores and stuff. But let me just show you my outfits that I picked out for the week. As stated, I am on day 6 and I'm also wearing my new Beats. So here are the outfits. We're starting off the week with lower body, and I was thinking this CRC yoga set would be good for lower body. Then we have a cardio day. I think it might be body weight, I forget, but I really wanted to give this a good wear test to see how these do on a cardio. Then we have an arm day. So this is Ox Jocks. These are both Ox Jocks. I already have sets similar to this and I love. Then we have core conditioning, I believe, and I've worn this for core and conditioning before. It's Halara, and it worked out really well. And then full body strength, I really am like obsessing over this tank top, but I probably wouldn't wear it for cardio. So a nice strength day should do the trick. And then these are colorful koala. So those are my outfits, and then I probably won't be going on Saturday because I am going to Costa Rica. I just had a order delivered from Target. It's fun drink time, so I've got some margarita mix, watermelon, some cloud water, and a beautiful cup with a rose. Yum. Still watching and putting sheets back on the bed. Bed is all cozy. These summer days just go so fast. I feel like I barely do anything and the day's over. But I just got popsicle molds also from the Prime Day sale. And I want to make some 1-Up protein. Check this out. I'm gonna do cherry Italian ice popsicles. So I have my Burn shaker cup. I have 20 ounces of water and I'm gonna do 2 scoops of protein. So each scoop of protein has 20 grams of protein, and there's gonna be basically 3 popsicles per scoop is how it's like gonna shake out. So each popsicle will have just under 7 grams of protein. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about that. Meanwhile, it's 5:11. She just screamed for her dinner. I got her to calm down and I gave it to her. Okay, so I still have some protein in a bag from my trip. I will be bagging up some more protein for my next trip, but I might as well just use some of this while we have it. So I'm gonna do 2 scoops as promised. I really love the cherry Italian ice. I think the Italian ice ones, well, I was gonna say are my favorite, but I loved the Rocket Pop. They just don't restock, which is so aggravating. I do have a discount code, JessipesTM, with 1UP protein. Gets you 20% off your order if they'll ever restock the good flavors. They had a watermelon one too, like sour watermelon. I had in my cart. I should have just checked out and I didn't. Because the other thing is they have like a thing where if you buy 2, 3, or 4, you get an additional discount. So I was kind of like debating on which flavors I wanted because I already have a bunch. So I didn't really need that many more. So I was debating it and I should have just checked out with the 2 that I really wanted, which was the sundae cone and the watermelon. And I didn't, and now watermelon's gone. Okay. So here we have our shaker cup. Ooh. Shake, shake, shake. It's kind of foamy. I don't know if I should let the foam go down. Okay, here we go. Let's start over here so you can see. I don't know, maybe I should like not fill it all the way. Are there directions? Cause like, doesn't liquid expand? I don't know. I'm gonna leave like a teeny bit. These are gonna be so good though. Protein popsicles. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. And then it came with like the little sticks. So you like put this little thing on top and then you put the stick in. So you just go like that. And then it like freezes somehow. Did I do that wrong? Do you do the stick and then you do the... Maybe you do the stick first. That would actually make more sense. I'm making a mess. Nope, that's not working. Help. Okay, I got it. It just kind of snaps together. So I think probably what I have to do is snap it in place first. Yep, and then pop it in. Oh yeah, this is so exciting. There were some really cute molds, but I went with like really plain just because I am a classic kind of gal. I also felt that this whole setup would take up the least amount of space in the freezer because some of them were like, there was one with stars, but it was like a weird shape. So I was like, okay, when you put that in your freezer though, isn't that just obnoxious? So, oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. People at my burn have been doing this with Replenish, which is like the electrolyte drink, and it looks so good. So I'm excited, and this is honestly better than just electrolytes because it's protein. So here they are.